Hello guys, my name is Gauri Bandre. I am an intern at Lexus and Company, and my topic for today's discussion is consumer court in India, and we'll also see how to file a complaint in a consumer court. Now, to start with, I am so sure that every one of you are a shopaholic. But what if, in case, you become a victim to a fraud, a cheating, or a bad service, or in that case, you paid the whole amount of a product and you receive a fake product instead of it? In this case, you have right to redress it. That means you can go and file a complaint in Consumer Protection Court against this fraud. To compensate the customers and to provide an alternative redressal mechanism, Consumer Protection Act was passed in 1986. Now, this act was further amended in 2019. This act formed Consumer Court, which is responsible to provide compensation and to address grievances. Now, the consumer court is divided into three types. First is district, then there comes the state and the national forum. So, in district, the monetary limit is up to 20 lakhs. In a state, it goes up to 1 crore, and in national, it goes above 1 crore. Next is procedure to file a complaint in consumer court. First is intimation. The aggravated party sends a notice to the service provider who sold the defective product. In this case, I will send him a notice and I will address the issue that I have been facing related to that product. It is an attempt for settlement between both the parties without going to a legal forum. Second is drafting of the complaint. So, if the seller or the service provider is not ready to offer compensation, so in that notice, I will refer to a minimum of 14 days. If that service provider doesn't reply to my notice, then in that case, I can go and draft a complaint. If the seller or the service provider is not ready to offer compensation, a formal complaint is lodged under consumer protection. The process doesn't necessarily need a lawyer, as anyone and everyone can do it. It can be done either physically or online. You need to attach required documents. So what are the required documents? First is copy of a bill. If it is an online delivered product, then delivery receipt. Packaging, a record of online booking. Second is warranty or guarantee if provided. Third is copy of written complaint or notice which you would have sent him earlier. Next is appropriate commission. So in case of this, the consumer needs to choose a proper forum to address this issue. If the product is below that of 20 lakh, then you can go to the district forum. In that case, if it is above 20 lakhs and below 1 crore, then you can go to state. So in this case, the consumer need to go to a right forum to address this issue. What is the eligibility criteria to file a consumer complaint? First and foremost, you should be a consumer. You can't be a buyer and you can file a complaint in this forum. It is important for you to be a consumer. Next is the person should have purchased a good for personal use only and not for resale purpose. What are the conditions to lodge a consumer complaint? First and foremost is unfair trade practice, and in case the seller is buying to charge you or overprice any product. Second is defective product. If you have received in case of any defective product, then you can file a complaint against it. Service deficiency, whether hired or confirmed to be hired. Next is overcharging of goods, as I said earlier, selling goods that are hazardous to life, safety, and property. If the government has declared something to be hazardous and the seller is still trying to sell those products, then in that case also you can go and file a complaint against it. What are the relief granted under the Consumer Protection Act? First and foremost is refund or additional compensation. So if you have paid the X amount, then you will receive the X amount along with the compensation which is needed to be given. Second is removal of defects which is proven to exist after conducting a test on the material. The past order might ask to remove or fix the damage. Next is moreover compensation for mental and physical damage if suffered by any consumer, then it must be provided. Imposing a ban on life threatening goods. Now, if the product is declared to be hazardous to life or property, then in that case also the government has the right to ban that product. Order of discontinuation of restrictive trade practices. The authority can impose a permanent or conditional ban on any unfair service. Last but not least, payment of the cost of the product and litigation claimed by the aggravated party. So, what is the time limit to file a case in a consumer court? A complaint must be filed within 2 years from the date of the action of deficiency or when the problem has been faced. How to appeal the consumer court order? First is registration on the website, followed by filing the case along with documents, and third is payment of fees. First, go to NCDRC's website, click on online filing. It will take you to the next page of e-Dakhil. Click on enter website. Now here you can see they have provided video tutorial along with manual on how to register a complaint. If you want, you can take help of it. They have provided it in both English as well as Hindi language. Click on complainant and advocate section. If you already have the ID, you can directly go into login or else go into new registration. After you go to registration, here there are required mandatory columns that you need to follow, that is name, phone number, date of birth, etc., along with some ID proofs which you need to attach with it. After filling all the details, click on submit. It will take you to the next page of filing the case along with documents. After filing the case along with documents, click on next and pay the fees.